shall renew their strength. They shall mount up with wings like eagles. They shall run. They shall run and not be weary. They shall walk and not faint. Mawubeka ithemba enkosini. Mawubeka ithemba kumdala wezinsuku ayentweni. Some they trust in chariots, some they trust in horses. But thina ngibona uDavid ebusuku bathi angizi nalutho. Ngiza njengegama. Ngibona amadoda awu-3 athi sangena emlilweni saphuma singalungi. So siyekeni isifakazi iyasebenza le nto. Siyekeni isifakazi. Yekeni isifakazi. My prayer is that may the next generation know ukuthi uNkulunkulu uyaphila. Sicele kubazali bethu. So we're not doing it just for fun. Sizothi nakulo munye nawe Thixo uyaphila, but you gotta make a decision. Umuntu ke ohamba ethatha nje omuka nemoya laphelela indawo. So you gotta make a decision in life, and I'm so sorry, I'm not gonna be apologetic about it, okay? So I'm gonna say ngizokudayisela uThixo. Ngizokudayisela indoda ehlala nawe. And then after sehlale nawe wakuphatha, your response is just release.